Here's how it came out. Hopefully you guys can see it. Looks pretty good, actually. Much better without the grills. Let's Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. Today we're going to continue on the turbo build. We're going to pick up where we left off on the last related video, which was the install of the fenders and the front bumper nose. Today we're going to get the hood on, at least set in place. I'm going to leave everything loose because the next video to follow will be just aligning everything. That takes a few hours on its own. But before we put the hood on today, there's a few things I want to address first, which you guys are going to see very shortly. So let's get started. Well, as you guys can see, the hood's been cut here. It was clearanced for air to water intercooler setup. I ended up going with air to air. So I guess what I'm going to do is there's some just jagged edges here. I'm just going to try to clean things up a bit and just make it a little smoother. All right, that's it for that. It's a little bit better than it was. Actually, much better than it was. At least it looks somewhat symmetrical. And yeah, the next little thing I'm gonna do is the grills at the front here. So I'm just gonna turn the camera. All right, so when the hood got painted, you can see the grills also got painted. So I don't like the grills in red, so I'm either gonna see if I can knock them out or maybe paint them black. So let's see what we can do here. Well, we got one out, so it looks like it's just kind of held on with little bits of whatever fiberglass resin. So I'm gonna try to carefully knock this one out, work it a bit without cracking the hood anymore, just like that. Almost in the clear. Looks like it's just hanging on by one little corner piece here. It's hanging on. Oh, as you guys can see, it's pretty sharp. It's hanging on by like a thread. Okay, there we go. Here's how it came out. Hopefully you guys can see it. Looks pretty good, actually. Much better without the grills. Let some air flow through, and that's it. You can see the well, maybe not, but there's push pins at the front, and I got two little stone chips, build wounds. So I'm going to touch those up the best I can, and then eventually when the car gets cut and polished, hopefully we can blend those in a little better. So here's the paint chip that I'm going to touch. It's actually bigger than what it looks. Not happy about it, but nothing I can do. There's another little one on the other side, and this is what I use to do my paint touch-ups. Just a little matchstick, kind of cut the end on a 45, and I'm going to touch it up the best I can. There we go, that's one. I'm gonna go do the other side now. There we go. That guy's, when he dries that up, will not be very noticeable, but the other one there, it's gonna need to be sanded and cut in a little better. But for now, at least your eye doesn't catch it right away. All right, so we got the hood on. I didn't record Sally and I putting it on. Today I just wanted you guys to get a peek at, I guess, the fenders, nose, and the hood's on. Looks nice. I think it looks much better without those grills in place. And that's about it. So, good start. Next video, we'll get this all buttoned up. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We ended up cleaning up the clearance cut a little nicer. Ended up removing the mesh grills versus painting them. Touched up a few little paint chips, and we got the hood set in place. So all in all, it was finally nice to see the car kind of all complete. So just next video will be, of course, lining everything up and getting everything set in its place. Other than that, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. We appreciate you guys watching our videos. We appreciate the support, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.